Hello, now we are going to discuss an important component of Agentic AI system tools. Without tools, an Agentic AI system is going to be incomplete. Let's examine what tools we have at our disposal as part of CrewAI platform. Let me expand the tools section. Here you can observe we have a filter option to choose the tool that we like to use, or we can select one of the tools under different categories. The tools are categorized under AI and machine learning, database and data, file and document, integrations, search and research, web scraping, and some of the tools under uncategorized section. Now, if I expand AI and machine learning, I have AI Mind Tool, DAL-E tool. As we know, DAL-E is used to generate images using a text prompt. So this tool helps us connect to the DAL-E model from OpenAI. Similarly, we have Vision tool. This tool uses OpenAI's Vision API to describe the contents of an image. Next, we have database and data tools. These are the tools used to connect SQL databases, vector databases, or data warehouses. As we understand, data is the currency, data is the fuel, and without data, we cannot build a system. So that's where we have database and data specific tools help us in having a complete agentic AI solution. File and document tool. Observe here, it talks about searching a CSV file, searching docx content, searching JSON's content, PDF, text, XML, and so on. So the file and document type of tools help us read, search, and write to a file because files are vital as part of our day-to-day operations. And those files, in many instances, you will find need to be fed back to the agentic AI solution. That's where we can use file and document specific tools. Next comes integration tools. These are the tools which help us connect to external apps, be it GitHub, Google Calendar, HubSpot, Microsoft Excel, OneDrive, Outlook, SharePoint, and there are so many other applications which play a key role in our day to day business, day to day operations. And unless we find a way to connect to these external apps, we would not be able to exploit the full power of the agentic AI solution. That's where the integration tools are quite important. Next comes search and research. Under this category, we have tools which is going to help us in searching with a search query. And especially for research purpose, we can use these tools. You can see there is a tool called Job Search, a tool to perform job search in the US with a search query. Scholar Search. This is a tool to perform scholarly literature search with a search query. Search a YouTube's video content, a tool that can be used to semantic search a query from a YouTube video content. Quite interesting tools over here. Next comes web scraping and browsing. These are the tools which help in extract data from websites, automate browser interactions, and scrap content at bulk. If you see here, Firecrawl web search tool, which searches web pages using Firecrawl and returns the results. If I scroll down, there is a tool to read websites content, or another tool called Spider tool, which is used to scroll a website or search scrap a website. So these are the tools under the category of web scraping and browsing. And there are tools under the category of uncategorized. So these are the pre-built tools available in Crew AI platform. And if you want your custom tool, you will have to build one, publish it, and make it available for your designers and developers to build agentic AI solution. In this particular solution, what kind of tools are we using? If I zoom in, okay, now here we are using Serper Dev tool, Scrap website tool, and Microsoft Outlook tool. So depending on the task, depending on the goal, the choice of tools will be different. So that's about it for tools, an important component of agentic AI system. Thank you.